日本から帰ってきたばかりで、Al にプレゼントがあるんで。Oh, Al! Yo, Al!
What's up, Steve?
Hey, yo, dude, what you working on today?
Oh, just unloading.
Wow, neat Pachi Pachi GTO. This is the prototype car, right?
Yes, sir.
What you got? Oh, the Countach up there saying hi with one eye open, huh? Look at that. Hello, Kauntaku. Do you know in Japanese it's called Kauntaku? Kauntaku.
Contact.
We say what? Countach. Nice. Dude, I got something for you. I want to show you. It's from Japan. In this box is something a guy restoring cars like this. Cars that still have a lot of chrome on them. You know, cars nowadays, there's no chrome.
No.
But old cars, that old Chevy back there, everything else. Yeah. Dude, all kinds of... You have a Porsche you're working on too, right?
Yeah, the 356.
356 Porsche. They have tons of chrome, don't they?
They do.
I saw this product in Japan, man. It was unbelievable. Yeah, I want you to check it out. Let's open it up. Dude, check this out. That is right there, Nigakingu. And this is by a company called Nakarai from Japan. And this is a chrome polish. Let's see. Oh, and now you got the Sabi. This is the one for the really bad stuff. This is the Sabi Tori King. Yeah, Sabi Tori. Sabi means rust. Rust is like... Wait, this is one of the wheels from the 356, right?
Yes.
Yeah, that kind of rust.
Yeah, that's pretty bad.
That's pretty bad rust. They give you cloths with their kit. Oh, and that right there is the Mekkii Hogozai. So after you do the cleaning with their polish, isn't it beautiful the way it's packaged?
That is wild. That's cool.
The Japanese packaging is really, really nice and cool, man.
Sticker.
Plus a sticker. You get to keep that today. You can put it on the Porsche. This is the sealant. After you've done the removal of the heavy rust or the polishing with the mid rust, you then go and use the protectant with that cloth. It's a special cloth to do it. But what are these?
These are out of the 55 Corvette. Small block Chevy valve covers.
Would you mind trying if we did a little test with some of this made in Japan special stuff, dude? You know what I think we should try first? The Sabi Tori King. We should try it on this wheel here a little bit and see what it can do first. アルが車のレストアをしているので、よくメキとかがあるところなので、すごいお世話になってるし、いつもいろいろやってくれるので、日本でこのNAKARAIのものを見て、アルにはいいプレゼントなのかなと思って、今日持ってきました。これね、356ポルシェの本当は台北のプロトタイプ1番というナンバーの車があるので、隣にその車のホイールは結構錆びてるので、錆取り金を使ってみよう。That's an original wheel. That thing's been sitting for a long time, huh?
Yep.
All right.
Here's a date code.
Let's see. Right there. Oh, October 1955. All right, so we're going to start with this. This is for the really heavy rusted stuff, kind of like this, and we'll focus on this area right here. All right, give it a little shake, and you're going to apply it to the towel liberally, and then you're going to dab it on these areas right here. See what happens. All right, let's focus right in here, man. Let's see.
Start up here.
Kind of sit to kind of dab it on. I would liberally apply and see what it does. It's hard to get stuff chrome nowadays, isn't it?
It is.
Man, the whole chroming, everything in the chroming industry is just, it's expensive, environmental problems and everything. So being able to clean stuff up is probably pretty important. Karuku means light. And do it and see what it does, if it has an effect on some of that heavy rust that's in there.
It's disappearing, actually.
Yeah, isn't it?
Yeah.
Going away. Yeah, I'll get you more if you like it, all right?
Okay.
So we'll see if it gets the result. Oh, wow. It is cleaning up. 少しずつなんかね、錆が取れてるように見えますよね。なんかね、it's doing actually cleaning that up kind of nice.
That is wild.
Wow. She's doing a pretty nice job, isn't it? Cleaning that up.
Yeah, dude, it's going away.
Yeah, unbelievable. Wow, dude. That came out really nice. Wow.
You can see the pits and stuff from the rust that built up on it, but it literally
took away everything else. Yeah. Wow. Impressive.
Very.
Let's work down in here. Let's just see what does here. ここ結構サビのすごいところなんだけど、ここもやるとどうなのかなっていうことなんですけど、かなりひどいサビだったので。
Yeah, you can see it's taking the rust off.
Yeah, it is.
You can see the residue coming off
On the towel?
on the towel. Yeah.
And a little bit. Oh. すごいなんか消えてる。Let's clean it up, man. I mean, compared to what we started with,
Yeah.
it's a lot better.
Look at this.
Wow. Jeez, I don't think it's been more, what, 5-10 minutes at the most, really? Kind of just
Not
working that
even.
area? Less than that, just a few minutes. And dude, that rust is completely different than what it was.
Yeah, it's really coming.
もう
It's
全然
coming
違いますよね、さっきと。
I'm just in
ま
this
だ
area
もう
right
数分
here.
しかやってないので、そこだけしか。Wow, dude. That is real. And up on top, too. All of that
Yeah, but
has
a lot
really
of it
came out
come out.
nice. Japan's got some pretty good technology when it comes to different things, man, and products like this. It's unbelievable. Wow, dude. Dude, you ought to just stand back for a second and just look at it. It's
That's wild.
That's crazy, huh?
That's wild, dude.
Wow. Also, these valve covers, I put a piece of tape on this while you're doing that. I would like to take the product we just did, the Sabi Tori King. Let's try it here a little bit, and then let's try the Miga King on the other side and see what it does. Let's see what it does on this area of the valve cover that typically always get rusted up in here.
You can already see the result.
Is it already taking it off?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, look right here.
Oh, yeah.
It's gone.
Oh, yeah, you have a lot more rust in
Look
there.
right here.
Yeah, put a little bit more on it. Let's see that. Oh yeah, it's taking it off, isn't it?
Look at that.
Wow. 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 Very cool.
Everything is disappearing, see it?
Yep.
I guess once
Well,
it
it's nice.
soaks
You don't
in,
even have to.
it
Yeah.
soaks in a little bit and it starts like
Just
it sticks to the rack to the towel now.
nice.
All the rest is gone. Like right here, look at these.
Bye-bye rust.
Wow.
Yeah. Dude, that did a pretty nice job in just a couple of seconds of doing it. Wow. Dude,
Look at this right here.
yeah. Oh, wow. Pretty impressive. You don't even have to put no
Wow.
polishing wheels, no nothing. Dude, it
No.
takes that rust right off of there. Wow. That's pretty good.
Yeah. Well, this is what, a few seconds?
Yeah, I mean, we
Spend some
not even
time on
10,
it, you
15
know?
seconds, a little bit more. Wow. Oh my God. I brought it back.
This is the area that we messed with. Right now, right here. This was it.
Yeah, look at how different it
All
is
this was
compared to that.
like that.
Like that. Try the Mekki Migaki Zai. Okay. Let's see what that stuff does. It says don't use a lot of it. Okay, Al, this stuff, this is just the polish. It says you don't need much at all. And it's supposed to, not with the heavy rust, but supposed to clean up the chrome and polish it out pretty well. Just focus on that area there that was kind of real dull, and let's see what it does. Al, it looks like it's shining that thing up a little bit. I got a lot of, like, it's definitely brighter.
Yeah, there's
And
something on there.
oh yeah, it's definitely brightening it up, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's, well, actually, I don't know. It's changed. It's bright.
Yeah, it really is. It's really
It got
weird.
really,
Yeah, this whole area here is like
wow. Yeah, it's got really, all of a sudden it's kind of really brightened up.
Let me go all the way. See what it does here.
Wow, you know, at first it wasn't obvious, and now I'm looking at it more and more, what you're doing, and it looks like it's
like we had a clear coat to it or something.
Yeah, like a clear coated, exactly. And that's not even the protectant. This is. これは昔のエンジン、348と409、409エンジンの、バルブカバーです。錆もあるのと、全体的に光ってないメッキ磨き剤の、磨きングでちょっとやってみたいと思います。5年ほどこれはね、放置された車に、あった、まだ綺麗な、バルブカバーだったんだけど、やっぱり時間経つと落ちるという感じなので、そして軽い錆もつくので、NAKARAIの商品でどのぐらい、効果があるのか、ちょっとやってみたいと思います。まずは錆取りキング。磨いて。おほほほほほほ。
Let's do a little bit of
You want to try the other stuff in there?
yeah.
Okay.
Wow.
Wow, 錆取りキングでかなり That's pretty impressive, huh?
Very.
Wow. I really shined that thing up in no time too. Really fast.
Yeah.
さて元のところと比べるとこう分かりますよね。That's pretty clear line of you could see the shine here to what it was here, man. That's for sure. じゃあ磨きングでこっち側やります。軽く錆びてるものなんだけどどう違うのかということがメッキングはもうたっぷりつけないで軽くムラの元になるので原因になるので軽く使うということでこう拭いています。ここはもう完全に変わったって分かるんだけどこっちはどうなんでしょうね。最後に、メッキの保護剤で、守ります。今拭き取ってるのでWell, it did clean up, but there's still something definitely still on it, which that first product definitely got off more, right? Like some of that stuff?
Scuffs,
Yeah. 最後に、こっち側が錆取りキングでやって、こっち側が磨きキング。磨きキングでこっち側。錆取りキングはこっち側に、やりました。最後に、保護剤、メッキ保護剤を、かけてみます。メッキ保護剤をつけてみます。少しだけで拭くとコーティングになります。You only used a couple drops, right, Al?
Very little.
はい、このぐらいで十分だということで、上にをつけて塗って、10分ぐらいで、完成になるということです。で、24時間を待っててから水をかけたりすると、水が弾くという風になります。And that thing looks a lot better than it did a little while ago, didn't it? Doesn't it? Holy cow. It's pretty impressive, huh?
Very.
これもう一個のバルカバーです。最初からやりたいと思います。やっぱり錆取りキングがすごいんだよね。この錆取りキングの力が最初に特にそんなに多くは錆びてないんだけど軽い錆などこの辺がすぐ、落ちます。これたっぷりとタオルにつけます。 こっち側だけをやります。はい、いきます。そんな力もいらないです。軽く、最初はこういう付け方でいいという感じです。そしてじゃあちょっと軽く、この辺を磨いてみると、ちょっとだけを力を入れて、で、タオルが、もうサビが落ちるから、そのサビのついてるところは使わない。綺麗な方に行きます。さらに、ちょっと磨きます。そうすると、どんどん落ちていきますね。わかります。で、軽くやって、軽く。力は入れてないですよ。力は入れてないのに、これで、で、多分もう少し時間かけたらさらに綺麗になるかもしれませんが、Wow. これは Al gave the thumbs up, huh?まだ少し残ってるんだけど、もうちょっと時間かけてやれば。It's pretty good as a mirror, huh? Not bad. すごい。Made in Japan のもの。Wow, that's pretty impressive, huh?
Very.
最後にメッキング。この縫合剤はこれ仕上げてから、やっぱりこれつけて、で、保護するので、これ本当にわずかしかの商品で、これをこういう風に塗って、で24時間以内にこれは出ます。Nice, man. Hey, I'm leaving that with you, Al. This is for you, a gift from Japan, dude.
Thank you.
Like it?
Thank you. I love it.
You got it, man.
I'll put it to good use.
With all the work you got going on here, this is gonna be something that's gonna be a really good gift for you. So,
For sure. Thank you.